Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off circle to search function in Samsung Galaxy A55. This option is enabled by default. How to turn it off and what does it do exactly? So, when we tap and hold our home button, this option will turn on. How to turn it off? We need to go to settings. Excuse me, I will show you from the beginning. So, settings, then display. Next we are looking for our navigation, navigational bar menu, and here it is, circle to search. We have short explanation here. Touch and hold the home button or the navigation handle to search using the content on your screen. Turn it off, uncheck this box. Now this option is turned off. That's all. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a good day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.